Welcome to Vandana's art class. We are starting painting. For that, we will have put masking tape on all the four sides. If you don't have masking tape, then draw a 2 centimeter wide border and don't do any painting in that area. So we will start with the darkest color of blue. The blue color here. We'll divide the paper into 3 parts or 4 parts, and we are going to use 4 different colors for background. So this is our first color. It's okay if our paint goes on masking tape. It's not a problem. Any shades you can use, it's your wish. Now I'm using the second shade of blue. I have merged it with first one. Next color we are taking teal blue. Next color is sky blue color. Again, I'm mixing it with teal blue. We may have to give second coat because we will see the paper against the light and then we will check whether everything is coated with paint or not. On this Scotch Brite, I am taking some white color and applying it here and there. If you don't have Scotch Brite, then you can use any sponge from the kitchen or just sprinkle the color. So I am drawing directly on the paper, but if you have doubt, please draw on any rough paper and transfer it with the help of yellow carbon or blue carbon. Branches are ready. Now we are going to paint flowers. For that we need peach color. If we don't have peach, then we'll use the white, red and white. And in the center we will give dots with yellow later. So I'm starting with white. Here the lower part of the petal I'm shading with white color. Then we will use the peach color. If you don't have peach color, no tension. Use any other color, purple, yellow, whichever you like. this is the base coat. Now on the base coat, second coat. Lower part white, upper part peach. Now I will take thinner brush and red color just touch. Very less paint. We will mix it with peach color and white color. We may have to give second coat. In the center of the flower, we have to show pollen. So we will take yellow paint in our brush. We'll take brown paint in our brush and we will make dots here. In between, we can make some dots of red color also. So it will appear as if it is a mix bag. Okay. So once again, I will show you how to make. See, yellow color, brown color and little bit of red color. In big flower, we have to show this in the center. I have almost finished the painting and I am making the last flower calyx. I hope you like the tutorial. Kindly like, subscribe and share the information about my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Namaste.